Hey guys, welcome. Today I have something extremely special for you. This is a brand new feature on how to monetize TikTok, and it's something that you've never seen before because it's brand new. It hasn't even rolled out to everyone yet, but it will be soon. And if you don't have a TikTok account, I highly recommend that you start one, or if you have one, I highly recommend that you start 2 more because you can have up to 3 TikTok channels with one account. So definitely start a channel, and let's go take a look and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. And this is called TikTok series, and this is a long form video format. So say you have a cooking channel or a fitness channel or something like that, and you want to create like a cooking segment, how to make a certain recipe. So you can make up to 80 videos, 20 minutes long. So this is, of course, before TikTok was only a short form series, up to 3 minutes long was your maximum, and vertical. These can also be horizontal. So you can create these, and what you have to do is create them on your computer, and then you can actually monetize them in the app. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. You can add a series right here, and then you name it. You come down here, give it a name, and then a description and a cover photo. It tells you the dimensions here is 1200 by 1200. And then here's the most important part, is you can set the price. So these are all series that people can access if they pay for them. And this is a great way to monetize your channel and your content. Or if you have something like a course, you don't have to create a huge platform, a website, and a pay system, any of that. All you have to do is create the course, post it up on here, and then start charging. And let's go take a look at the price schedule. You can charge anywhere from 99 cents, $1.99, $4.99, all the way up to $189 for access. And you don't have to have 80 videos. You can have like 10 videos. You can have as many videos as you want, or at least from 1 to 80 videos in your series. And this is fantastic. And you can have also multiple series too. You don't have to have just one series. And the great thing about this is that there will be a little icon in your regular videos, and it says click here to access the videos, the series, something like that, which is fantastic. So this has never been seen before. It's only been on YouTube, and as you know, in YouTube you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized with AdSense through the YouTube. Here you can get monetized immediately, as long as you have 1,000 subscribers and you have this option. So the series is not rolled out to everyone yet, but I would, if you don't have a TikTok, or if it's not rolled out to you, you don't have a huge following right now, what I would do is create this content, the long form content, along with your small short form content to grow your channel. And then once you've grown to 1,000 subscribers, you can post a series, and then you can monetize that series. You can have, like if you have a fitness channel, you can make fitness videos, one on exercise, one on diet. All the sky's the limit with this platform. It's sort of like YouTube, but you can monetize it immediately, which is fantastic. Like I said, it's like having a course, a video course. If you have a course on how to make money online, side hustles, you can come here, you can monetize it for 99 cents all the way up to $189. Don't know what the sweet spot is yet because this is brand new, but I'm thinking it might be right here in the middle at $49.99. I think that might be the sweet spot for, depends on your content. If you have something that's very, very valuable, you can charge up to $189. It's something that's going to help people either improve their lives with health or wealth or relationships. I think you might be able to get the $189. And you can have, I think you can have different series for different prices. So you can have an initial series for say $1.99, and then you can, at the end of your series, you can offer the other series, the upsell series, for $189. So this is a great way to monetize TikTok. And like I said, if you don't have a TikTok, start one immediately in either relationship, health, wealth. Those are the top 3 niches. But if you have something like fishing, something like that, you can definitely monetize that also with this series on TikTok. You can have a casting series, how to tie a fly knot. I don't know much about fishing, but you get the idea. So So this is a fantastic new concept and new feature on TikTok. It will be rolling out to everybody. As you know, TikTok rolls out a primary feature to a few people, and then once the ball starts rolling, work out all the bugs, then it goes out to everybody. But I would say definitely start your series now. Like I said, they can be horizontal, up to 4K, and they can be up to 20 minutes long, and you can have up to 80 videos per series. So this is huge. It's going to make people a lot of money, and I'm sure that you're going to be one of them. Let's go over here and take a look at some of the features and this is the desktop version over here. It says add series. Of course, we went through that, the name, description, cover, and then the pricing. And then manage series, there's nothing to manage right now, and then learn more. So this is what TikTok's telling you about here, and here it says you can post as many as 80 videos. Each one can be up to 20 minutes long, allowing you to post more in-depth content. And that's what this is all about, in-depth content. This is fantastic for series, like I said. So some of your viewers you can teach them more in-depth concepts and techniques. And you can post your detailed fitness routine. See, this gives an example of the cooking, how to cook your favorite homemade pasta recipe step by step, give an in-depth photo editing tutorial, and do it yourself hair dye process. So like I said, the sky's the limit on this. You can have many different series that people can learn. Here's the basics, getting started, creating your content. This is how to, and then you manage your series over here with the Manage tab. Videos up to 20 minutes long each, compatible with horizontal videos. See, that's great. So I think that's what they want. So they have it in bold. So I think they want you to create the horizontal videos, not the vertical. We recommend minimizing the use of music to avoid copyrights. So you don't want to use any music. This is different than the original TikTok, the vertical. Of course, you always want to use the most popular trending video. In here, you want to avoid video or use totally non-copyrighted music. I would stay away from the music altogether and just give information, give great information, in-depth information in this. This is how you create it. You go and create a series here, upload the content. Okay, you can upload it, you can upload the videos and make up a series. I think they want to do this on desktop. Yeah, I think it's desktop only. Purchasers will be able to watch them in full landscape mode on the TikTok app. So they can turn their phone and watch it in the horizontal landscape mode. Once uploaded, you can edit the title, the cover for each, and organize them in order that you want them. So you don't have to film them in order. You can film one at a time, put them up there, and then you can rearrange them, and then you publish it once it's all the way you want it. Of course, they will approve it, and then anybody will be available to purchase it. And then also, you can promote your series section. And what I think is going to happen here is that TikTok is going to promote the series quite a bit to begin with, to roll it out. Once they roll out the feature, they're going to promote all these videos, so you're going to have income coming in. This could be a huge potential for creators here. I don't know if everybody's going to take advantage of it. I'm sure the quick dancing videos people probably will not. But if you're creating valuable content and information for people, this is the feature that you want to use. It is fantastic. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Also, take a look at the free course I have in my description.